Hello everyone, this is Finnish unboxing video of the Ondu pinhole camera. Here you can see where it has come from, Slovenia. And also the weight is important to know. And here I have censored my address, but you can see this is Finland. And the contents of this parcel is one wooden box and value 10 euros, but we paid much more in Kickstarter. This is really funny. Now I open this with my friends Letterman Micra. It's very good knife to unbox. I open the side. It has been made with nice tape, transparent tape. Now what happens is that we turn the package around like this, and here is another tape we open. And now you can take another kind of hold of the Letterman. So there. So you can already hear the sound of the Ondu pinhole camera. This is my very first time that I open this package, and you can now see the right in the first row. Now I open it, and here comes another cardboard box. It says Ondu handcrafted pinhole camera, and the Ondu logo is printed with a bluish ink. So I put this big parcel away, and now we unbox this box. It opens like this. I take the hole from down, and now here it is open. And now there is this good soft plastic to protect the camera, and I take the plastic off, and here it is. Here is Ondu pinhole camera 135 model, and also here comes an instructions booklet, which looks pretty simple. This is it. Now we have officially unboxed Ondu 135 pocket pinhole camera in Finland. Thank you.